I literally only retwisted my hair for the purpose of this video. So you're welcome. Hey YouTube, it's Lillian again. I'm coming back with another video finally. So this video is just on a review for the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. And I am going to just keep this intro short, and I am going to walk you through the little process that I did, and then we will go on with the review. Hey, I just wanted to hop on here real quick because I wasn't planning on filming a video, so I did not get to show you the application process, but I literally just washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and then applied the Camille Rose Curl Love. I'm sure I'll put the name here somewhere. And then I use the Honey Hydrate over it. I feel like that's extreme moisture, so we'll see what the results are like. Apologies for my face, I literally just washed it, so we are bare. But yeah, it's Sunday right now. I plan on taking this out on Wednesday because that's when I go to work, and we'll see what the results are then. We'll see if this lasts all day. All right, so as you can see, I have opted to put my hair up. Did not do the best job because I wasn't planning on putting my hair up, but my hair just lost a lot of definition, which I kind of expected that to happen because honey is a humectant, and that was like the base of the leave-in. So I'm not even surprised, but my hair is very, very soft. Yeah, I would probably use this product with either a gel or Camille Rose's twisting butter, the almond dry twisting butter. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Apologies for me being out of breath. I just got to the subway from work, and yeah, I don't even know if I have any like mask marks. I was wearing that for like 10 hours, so I'm just like, I need air. But yeah, but the upside, I could actually put my hair up, guys. That's big because I could not do that last year at all. So the fact that I could even put it in a bun is good. So that's progress. And I've trimmed my hair about 3 times since last year. So my hair is pretty healthy. And yeah, that's about it. And we will move on. So I figured I'd take this out just so you could see what I'm talking about in natural light. So the only thing that really kept definition were the ends. So you could see that it kind of held on there, but everything else, it just lost the definition. But it's all good. I'm okay with it because my hair is longer. If it was as short as if it was as short as it was last year, then yeah, I'd have a bit of an issue. But it's okay. At least there's more length, and yeah, and it's healthy. So that is what that looks like, and you can see that it's grown quite a bit. All right, now we're moving on.
All right, so you saw how my hair had turned out by the end of my work day, and you may be wondering, Lillian, how did you get your hair like this? So basically, later that evening when I was at home, I literally just sprayed each section of hair, detangled it, and I did a mixture of braids and then twists. I did twists more in the back because like I'm not going anywhere else this week, and I did braids more at the front just so there's a bit more definition. So that's how I got my hair to be like that. So in regards to my thoughts on the product, so a little background, if you have not seen my video that I did, I believe it was around last year this time or last year April when like everything was shut down. I did I think it was a like how I wash my boxed braids type of video, and I had mentioned this product and I said that I usually use it to condition or soften my hair, keep my hair soft while my hair is in braids, and I use it for any new growth that I get after I've like washed my hair when it's in braids as well. So I've never, this is my first time using it like by itself, just to do some type of twist out, braid out type of situation. And so now I could actually give like, I guess you could call it like a second review, but it's dedicated solely to this and not like a bunch of products in one video. So this product, I do like it for the purpose of softening my hair. Like my hair is incredibly soft. I did not add like any more product to my hair to get it like this. Like I said, I just sprayed it with water, detangled it, braided and or twisted it, and I got this result. My hair feels the exact same as it did yesterday prior to me doing it. And yeah, so it definitely maintains its softness. I initially put it in my hair on Saturday night because that's when I washed my hair, and today is Thursday, so almost a full week, almost a full 7 days. So moisture wise, it's great. In regards to like definition and stuff, this is not like my ideal look. Like I don't hate it, but there's no longevity with this, and nobody's trying to retwist their hair every night. Like it's not gonna happen. I literally only retwisted my hair for the purpose of this video. Had I not done that, or if I wasn't filming another video, I would not have bothered. So you're welcome. Anyways, yeah, so it's a good product. I have no issues with it. I would only use it for like by itself. I would only use it for with braids, or like when I'm prepping my hair to have braids in. Also, sorry, I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video that I also use the Curl Love leave-in conditioner by Camille Rose, because I saw some people on YouTube, they used both of them and they had really good results. But I think maybe because my hair is kinkier, maybe that's why it's not as defined. But again, like it's okay. I would probably try it out with the twisting better, but I feel like it might be like moisture overload for my hair, so I think I'll just leave it for like the whole like braid situation. I'm hoping to get my hair braided next month, fingers crossed. But yeah, it's a good product. I know this is like a love-hate thing here on YouTube. I noticed some people like sing its praises, others not so much. But I say it never hurts to give something a try. They are fairly pricey, or at least here in Canada it's pricey. I want to say it's like at least 20 bucks here, but in the States it's about like 14. This is my third bottle. So this is my second bottle. This is my third bottle. You see this little bit? It's not coming out when I tip it over, so you know what your girl's gonna do. She's gonna cut that and use the rest of it, because we're not about wasting expensive product. So that's about it for this video. Let me know if you have ever used this product. What were your thoughts on it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Are you in the middle? It's just like meh for you, but you'll still use it anyways because you've already paid for it. But yeah, let me know, put it in the comments down below. And other than that, please do subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.